This BMW Series 3 has been absolutely sending me crazy. This whole panel stopped working. I couldn't for the life of me figure it out. I took it off. I changed the FRM module because I opened that up and it was all corroded. So I swapped the FRM module, recoded it, tested it, still didn't work. The mirrors had a problem where they kept pointing to the floor, and it thinks I'm in reverse at all times. So I've tried everything, and I'm also getting communication with lin operating unit disturbed, communication with mirrors disturbed. So I disconnected the fuse to the mirrors, and so it didn't keep looking to the floor, so I could at least drive with the mirrors normal. And it's been absolutely sending me nuts, this whole process. It's been sending me crazy. I disconnected the mirror on the driver's side, hoping that it might restore that. Still nothing. Today, I thought, before I take everything apart and check the lin line to see if there's any broken wires, I will disconnect that mirror. Oh, so hang on a second, it doesn't want to work. So, oh, I literally had a little tear in my eye. This has been plaguing me for bloody weeks. Oh, I'm so happy. So yeah, if your window module there stops working, it's not just that one, but it could be. It's also that one. What a nightmare.